Connect a USB port on your PC or Mac to a printer, keyboard, mouse, modem, or other USB-B compatible device input. Fully molded connectors provides excellent strain relief that ensures superior connectivity and a durable, long life. Foil and braid shield. Double shielding prevents and protects the cable from unwanted noise interference. This helps to minimize interference for error-free data transmission between devices. Twisted pair construction helps reduce crosstalk interference, ensuring high-speed, error-free data transfer. Packaging. To ensure you receive the highest quality products, C2G packages all product in C2G branded packaging. Just plug and play for keyboards, mice, modems, printers, and other USB peripherals. This cable provides a transfer rate up to 480 megabits per second depending upon the peripheral's USB version, and easily attaches to any USB device. Foil and braid shielding reduces ME, RFI interference, and twisted pair construction helps reduce crosstalk, thus ensuring high-speed, error-free data transfer. Top reviews from the United States. Replacement. Bought this as a replacement for my cricket cord, no problems. Works just like the original. Going to see if I can connect my printer and laptop. Once I try it, I will update my stars for value for money.